Hello and assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope all of our YT community is having a good day. If not, then this video will make their day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing pasta in white sauce. So as you can see, it looks yummy and tasty, and it's also really easy to make. So let's get started. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Firstly, you will boil 250 grams of pasta in 1 tablespoon oil and 1 liter water. You will cook it 80%. Then you will take 100 grams of boneless diced chicken, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. And now you will marinate well. After the marination is done, cover and let the chicken rest for 30 minutes. Then you will preheat a pan and add 1 tablespoon oil and fry 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste until its color turns to golden brown. Now you will take the marinated chicken from before and you will shallow fry it. The chicken is almost done and you will add 2 tablespoons mixed vegetables. We took carrots, green peas and corn. And also you will add green and red bell peppers, half of each. And you will mix well. Then you will add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. And the chicken was done. Now for the sauce, you will need 50 grams of butter, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoon maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup milk, 2 cheese slices. You will start by melting the butter in a pan. Now you will add the maida or the all-purpose flour. And you will mix well with a whisk, not a spoon or a fork, only with a whisk. Now you will add the salt and the pepper. And you will mix well. And you will add the milk and the cheese one by one. Now the sauce is creamy and thick. The sauce is done, and now you will add all the pasta and the chicken vegetables into the sauce and mix well. For your taste, or it is optional that you can add 1 teaspoon red chili powder if you are a spice lover or you love spicy things, so that can give it a taste. By the way, thank you for watching. I hope you guys will like the recipe once you make it at your home, and make sure to leave a like on the video, share the channel and the video, hit the like button and the bell icon after hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to take care, and Allah Hafiz.